In this video, I'm going to show you how to load trimmer line into the SpeedFeed 400. Now that I have it installed, I'm going to wind up some string. So I'm going to make sure my arrows are aligned with the holes in the side. And so I'll take my trimmer string and I'll feed it straight through the holes where it'll come out the other side. So now I've threaded my string through the trimmer head, and I'm going to pull it even on both sides. And the easy way to wind the string is to actually hold the trimmer head with my right hand. I'm going to hold that steady, and I'm actually going to twist the top of the trimmer head with my left hand. I'm turning it towards me, and that will wind the string up without the string getting tangled. So I've used my string trimmer twice since I've installed this, and so far so good. This is what the professionals use, so it's definitely much better than the head that comes on the Ryobi. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.